Uzmar is Turkey's first private towage and piloted services company, established in 1984 by Captain Altay Altu and his two sons, Captain Kaan Altu and marine engineer Noyan Altu. Uzmar started to build workboats and tugs in 1996, primarily for its own fleet requirements, but later turned towards international markets with the aim to make its name a world brand in the maritime platform. A significant success has been achieved in a short time by building 70 workboats and tugs since 1996. In order to meet the increasing international demand, Uzmar Shipyard was established in the Kocaeli Free Zone, Turkey, in June 2007, on 43,000 square meters of land. At this new shipyard, modern harbor, terminal, escort, oil recovery, and firefighting tugs, as well as supply vessels and offshore tugs, are built by highly qualified engineers and workforce at West European shipbuilding standards. At Uzmar, workboat and tug designs are preferably based on standard series of designs such as Ramparts, Rastar, or Rampage of Robert Allen Limited, the world's leading innovative workboat and tug designer, or other world-renowned design offices projects are utilized with owner-requested modifications to suit the customer's specific operational requirements, as well as the sea state and environmental conditions at the vessel's future operational worldwide areas. The key to the success of exceptional quality and production reliability is the modern station-based serial production system. This system is performed through highly sophisticated softwares such as IFS, Vantage Marine, and CATIA, which are used in production and design processes. This unique system aims to deliver each workboat and tug at exceptional quality on time. This unique design and production system perfectly integrates nearly 700 employees, including 190 in-house personnel in managing 15 different projects, 30,000 detailed drawings, 95,000 different types of material and equipment, while around 14,000 shop orders are processed at any moment of time. The shipyard is certified by Lloyd's Register Quality Assurance for its integrated management systems of quality, environmental management, and occupational health and safety. In the unique Enterprise Resourcing Planning (ERP) technique, the technical details of complete building components for each vessel are entered into the IFS ERP system by the design office, and the relevant lead times by the planning department. The purchasing process is also performed through the ERP. Uzmar's production system is station-based, which plans each workstation's task, the completion date of each job order, and assigns relevant labor force to work at relevant stations. There is a reliable supplier and client relation between sequential stations, which promote a reliable control throughout the complete process in terms of quality and delivery time. Each new building project is coordinated by a project engineer from the commencement of steel cutting until delivery. This coordination facilitates the compliance of actual building to the shipbuilding agreement. Regular meetings with owner representatives are held to ensure that class rules are followed or owner's possible modification requests are complied with a specially customer-oriented program. Commercial management submits technical and commercial offers with various alternatives. The alternatives include budgetary estimates for different machinery and equipment, but strictly considering the availability of spares and services for the future operational area of the vessel. Uzmar's quality standards require the installation of equipment and machinery from first-class makers with worldwide service guarantee.
Baş taraf, kış taraf, balıklarmalar.
Uzmar's Occupational Health and Safety Department ensures that the occupational health and safety rules are strictly followed by the employees through regular courses and evaluation tests. Thanks to this flawless system that runs like clockwork, today each vessel bearing the Uzmar logo sails as a symbol of quality, trust, and safety in global waters.